Hey everyone, it is your girl Capri back at it again with another video. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I haven't done one of these in a good minute. Actually, I worked with this company before many years ago, like closer to the beginning of my YouTube like career or whatever. So I'm happy to reintroduce you guys to FABFITFUN. They are a subscription based company and they give you products, full-size products for you guys to try out. The box is $49.99 every 3 months. Yes, it's a quarterly box. It's usually based on the season, so the one I got is the winter box and you get over $200 worth of stuff for $50. They were nice enough to send me this box. You can use the code Pretty, I'll leave it right here, PRETTIE, to get $10 off your first box. So instead of being $50, it'll be $40. Let's get right into it, shall we? I need to figure out how to open it. Oh, there's tape. And on the box it says, in support of women's Alzheimer's movement. This is what the inside of the box looks like. Y'all, it's so cute. It is really cute. So upon opening it, you're going to get a book. It says FABFITFUN, Meet the Time Savers, Marla Shriver. So it's just a cute little magazine that you guys can look through. The first thing is a sample of the purple bed. So it's just showing you like what the bed feels like. Pretty cool. You get $100 off of a mattress. Another coupon for $30 off of sterling silver studs, and a HelloFresh gift card, $90 gift card. And then we get into the stuff. So when you open it, you're gonna get a magazine and some coupons. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, so the first thing that I got is from Adore, available at Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom, and AdoreJewelry.com. Stack and Sparkle. It's their signature organic circle bracelet. I thought it was a necklace. Bracelet in rose gold. Y'all, I love rose gold so much. Let me open this because the plastic and my ring light, they don't go together. Super pretty. Yes. And I'll be leaving prices in here so that you guys can see what each item is worth. There's a little A on the back of it. Next item is, guess what, you'll be naked in 1 minute. Ooh, I've been wanting a new like exfoliant. So this is a coffee scrub, 100% natural exfoliator for smooth glowing skin, and it is by Frank Body, I believe it is. So yeah, frankbody.com is where you guys can find this. But like I said, I'll be leaving the prices and everything probably right next to my close-up so that we can calculate and everything like that, so you can see what you guys can get for $40 with my discount code Pretty. Use it, okay? The next thing is a makeup eraser. Y'all know like magic erasers, like this is what I'm thinking. Okay, so it's the original pink makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. Reusable, antibacterial, lasts 3 to 5 3 to 5 years. Great for sensitive skin and saves you money. And it is a cloth, not a sponge. I don't know why I was thinking about, because I was thinking about magic erasers, I just assumed that it was a sponge, which wouldn't make sense anyway. But yeah, okay. Takes makeup off with just water. Take out the plastic. It feels like a nice, really soft blanket. It's really nice. So that is the that is the makeup eraser. And what does it say on here? It says wash wet, so you can wash this in the washing machine. Wet, erase, exfoliate. Wash approximately 1 to 2 times per week. So yeah, you gotta throw this in the washing machine 1 to 2 times a week and you're good to go. The next thing is Erno Laszlo, and I've actually used some of their products before. It's their exfoliate and detox pore cleansing clay mask. Let's open it. So here it is right here. And let's go ahead and squeeze some out. I just want to see what it looks like. It's got that on it, so let's open it. It actually has a nice light scent to it. It's like a nice light floral scent. I'm gonna just rub it on the back of my hand here. It's like a super light pink color. And it definitely is clay. It's smooth. It feels like really thick lotion. But yeah, there's that. I'm just gonna kind of like rub it in for right now because I'm not near a sink. But yeah, that is the pore cleansing clay mask. So I'm so excited to use this. I'm gonna take my makeup off with this and then follow up with this clay mask and all my other ones. And then, you know, there's the exfoliant that you get in here. So it's a lot of skincare stuff going on and I'm loving it, especially in the winter time when your skin's like the driest it can be during the year. Okay, next is a Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. So this is for your hair, and it feels like something spilled out in my box, but it's okay. It primes, preps, and detangles, formulated with biotin, vitamins B and C, and UV blockers. This lightweight detangler protects hair from heat. Oh, so that's good too. So if you're wanting to straighten your hair, this will definitely help with that. It helps with heat up to 450 degrees. Preps hair for optimal performance of styling products. So it's basically a detangler and a heat protectant in one. So that is good to know. And it's by Prep Rally. It's, wait, it says Dry Bar, so maybe it's by Dry Bar. Here is the bottle. Next, and like I said, these are full-size products, and I'm pretty sure maybe one of these is probably already $50 on its own. So the box basically pays for itself in like one, maybe two products, most likely one product. So the next thing is Cuccio Somatology Yoga Calm and Plus Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash Daily Cleansing Ritual with Lavender Oil. So it's a cleansing ritual made to calm the senses, made with lavender oil, provitamin B, and shea butter. And this is what it looks like. I want to see what it smells like. I'm just gonna open it. It definitely smells like lavender oil. It smells very, very clean, if that makes sense. Like, it smells good. I like it. It smells like soap. It smells like a Dove bar of soap mixed with like lavender oil, if that makes any sense. So yeah, that is that. And once again, it's by Cuccio or Cuccio, but I think when two C's are next to each other it says ch. So I don't know if I'm saying it wrong. I'm so sorry, but yeah, we're gonna move on. So the next thing is from R+CO Television Perfect Hair Conditioner. I like the television effect on the bottle too with the lips. It's really cute. And what is this? Oh, it's a hair conditioner. It's paraben sulfate free, no petroleum, no mineral oil, cruelty, gluten-free, vegan, and has UV protections. Okay. It smells really good. It almost reminds me of like a light men's cologne, if that makes any sense. But it smells really, really good. It's very light. Like, I don't really like products, especially like hair conditioners and stuff that like have very strong scents. The next thing is their shampoo. So you get the shampoo too, and I'm sure that it smells exactly like the conditioner. So I'm not gonna open it, but it's their television line Perfect Shampoo. And the last product, I believe this is the last one. Let me make sure. Nothing hiding down there. Okay, there's nothing down there. Alright, so the last product, y'all know. This is my favorite thing. It's a makeup palette by Beauty Bakery. Proof is in the pudding. Eyeshadow. So it's like a banana pudding type theme. And I think that is just the cutest thing. Y'all look at this. It matches me. Very, very cute. Let's do some swatches really quick. I feel like doing swatches. Okay. So the first one is rice pudding. This color right here. And they feel very smooth. And I like that. It feels very, very, very smooth. Okay. So that is rice pudding. And that one looks like a little bit powdery on my hand. The next one is chia pudding. I can see it. I know y'all can see it. There we go. Ooh, that is so pretty. And this is what it looks like on my finger. But I know it looks so much better with like a base on. I know I love me a brown. This is like a red brown. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's see what warm cocoa looks like. This is it on my finger. And then we're just going to swipe it. And it's not really swiping well. I know y'all can see it, but it's not swiping well. Sometimes it won't work on your eyes and it'll work on your hands. Sometimes it won't work on your hand, it'll work on your eyes. Sometimes it needs primer, sometimes it doesn't. But that's what that one looks like. And I think the last one I'm gonna do is almond jelly and see what that looks like. And we'll put that right here. Ooh, ooh. Almond jelly came out really, really good, y'all. That is pretty. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in this box. And I'm just double checking again to make sure that I got everything out of it. And I believe I did. So yes, y'all, if you guys have any questions, comments, or anything, definitely make sure that you guys check out FABFITFUN. Like I said, they are a subscription company. They have full products. Every box is going to be different, and you can also customize your boxes. I forgot to say that. These products were sent to me, so they just sent me what they decided to send me. Of course, if you were doing this at your home or your computer, on your phone, and you were getting this or getting this from somebody else for a gift or anything like that, you can go in and customize for that specific season. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified on my new videos, and I will see you beautiful people in my next one.